Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to turn your battery disconnect on and off for your Winnebago Minnie Plus. To turn your battery disconnect on and off, your first step is to slide the red key into the battery power port. Once in, simply quarter turn clockwise. Once it's in that position, the battery is still off. To turn it on, simply turn an additional 180 degrees. Now your battery is on. To turn it off, simply turn it back 180 degrees. Now the battery is off. And to remove the key, simply press in, slightly turn it counterclockwise, and remove. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.